Here's a good tip to work out what is alive and dead with branches. Now, if you are pruning during the growing season can be pretty good if you're taking out dead wood, because it's pretty easy to see which is alive and which is dead. Some don't have any leaves, of course, and other branches do. But if you are unsure, and it's during the winter and there are no leaves on, a simple scrape test could be all you need. Now, this is one of my lovely Japanese maples. I've got quite a few of them dotted about. I like the foliage, the autumn colour, and the combination. Look at this aucuba, spotted laurel here. You know, big brash leaves right against this lovely, fine, delicate Japanese maple. Now, to spot the alive or dead, simply do the scrape test. Now, this one here looks dead, so I'm using my pair of pruners here, and it's sort of like brownish and white underneath. And on this one here, I'm scraping back, and as you can see, it's green. So that's a fairly good sight. You don't have to do it with pruners, you can do it with a 50p piece or your nail if they're sharp enough and long enough. But a simple scrape back will clearly see the greenery of life underneath the bark itself. And then with your pruners, if you're going to be tackling live growth, use bypass pruners. And if you're going to be cutting off dead growth, you can use the anvil ones, which works like a single blade onto a chopping board. And the good thing about this scraping back, you can actually follow it. And then when you hit greenery, that's where you cut out the dead. Don't leave any dead on the tree at all. Follow it back and cut it clean. There we are, completely cleared out. For more information on gardening and gardening with the right tools, just visit the website ames-tools.co.uk.